Okay, so this is the room where we assemble all the supercharger kits and other parts that are going out to our customers. We're full on at the moment. There's a lot of kits that are 90% complete. We're still waiting for one or two bits, especially from the anodizers. We had to change anodizers because the ones we used to use went into liquidation, which threw us a bit of a curveball, slowed things down for 2 or 3 weeks. But the new guys seem to be stepping up to the plate, and we're getting the stuff through quite quickly again now. As far as supercharger kits go, as you know, we ship worldwide. So at the moment, we've got going out to Australia. We've got a couple of Harley Davidson V-Rod kits. These nice billet pieces are all machined in-house. All plenum chamber base, main case, plenum chamber lid. One of the successes, one of the reasons for the success of this kit is we use a very big plenum for the V-Rod kit. This gives us a better distribution of air to both cylinders and makes a lot of power for the amount of boost that we use. So, you know, with 12 pounds of boost, we're making nearly 200 horsepower with these kits. They're a terrific kit. These two kits are going out to Australia. Top here, we've got EP3 full race kit. This is just about complete now. We've got the injectors, 4-bar map sensor, intercooler and radiator, all the pipe work. We're just waiting for a couple of brackets to finish the job. This one's the FN2 shaft drive kit. This is a really, really powerful kit. The intercooler works extremely well, and we get north of 400 horsepower with this kit. I think pretty well. It's ready to go out, probably go out on Monday. There's a couple of little bits that need to go with it. At the bottom we've got CB1000 kit. Must apologise to our customer for keeping him waiting on this one. We've got a couple of bits still to go. Waiting for superchargers coming in, which should have been here today, but will probably be tomorrow. So hopefully that'll go out at the back end of next week. Okay, so on this shelf we've got EP3 race kit, C3881. This will give really good horsepower, probably around 450 brake. And obviously, there you go, 1000cc injectors, big fuel pump, air filter, oil cooler for the supercharger, radiator, intercooler, all the hoses and brackets, mounting bracket. We're still waiting for a couple of bits on there for the rest of the mounting bracket, and then that will go out. Same with this one. This one's an EP3 SuperSport kit, smaller supercharger. It's got the C3094 supercharger. This will give around 400 horsepower. Again, we're waiting for the second 2 brackets to go with the mounting bracket for the supercharger, and then that will be out the door. Then we've got the Zetec kit. This comes with a C3094 sat here. Lots of pulley mounts so we can get the belt wrap, manual tensioner. It comes complete with an alternator which sits here. And the way we run it, we get no belt slip, and it makes a lot of horsepower. A lot of Zetecs out there, and we still continually send out kits for guys with kit cars, etc. So that's pretty well it. You can see in the background there's lots and lots of stock. So yeah, EP3 SuperSport kit for the top mounted kit. This keeps the aircon pump, so you can still run your aircon with this. Same with this one, this FN2, and again the intercooler and radiator are side by side, so the supercharger is sat at the top and the aircon pump still works at the bottom, so it keeps your aircon. A lot of people like to keep the aircon, but if it's race, like the kits we've just seen, you junk the aircon, get much more space for a bigger intercooler, bigger radiator, and make more power because your charge is that much cooler, and you can run more boost and still keep the charge cooler. All these parts are parts for Civics, and then we've got some Triumph bobber plenum chambers, bits and pieces that all help the kit go together. air intake pipes. Then further back here we've got parts for ARIEL atoms. So we've got bracketry to go with this. These are just bits and pieces that we've got together. Triumph's Rocket 3 headers. These headers give us about 40 brake on our supercharger kits. Huge gains because the pipe work is so much bigger. They're quite a beast of a pipe. We've got lambda bosses on each header, so you can tune each cylinder individually or tune them together. You can put wideband in, link it all up to, these are designed to run with the Triumph off-road pipes, the Tour pipes, and they make it, you can run, when you assemble it, you can still put your stock heat shields over the top so it doesn't look any different than stock, but boy does it give a big increase in power. So they're nice pipes. Here we've got full race S2000 intercooler, a couple of S2000 Supersport intercoolers, some of the pipe work to go with it. We build a lot to order, so this is why we tell our customers that we're looking at 28 days lead time. Sometimes we better that, and we try not to be worse than that, but COVID hasn't helped on that front, especially when your anodizer goes down the pan. So, you know, we're catching our breath and starting to really push things out the door now.